kids, how you all doing? It's been a while, hasn't it? You know, real life does get in the way sometimes, and there are some changes afoot. But yeah, so I thought I'd throw a few vids on the channel, try and catch up a bit with a couple of recent additions, recent pickups. Now, we are coming up to 10,000 subscribers, so the next video, hopefully, if we can push the next vid, we will get the 10,000 C's. Okay, we'll get them up. That's the Offspring collaboration. Great shoe. But yeah, this time, let's have a look at the spirit of the games. This is a reissue I never thought would happen. Let's take a look. So yeah, really strange reissue. I don't think we'll ever see these again. So get them while you can. And they had a soft launch, probably due to COVID, the COVID-19 crisis. But they've been launched sporadically over different websites over the past 6 weeks or so. Not expensive shoe, come in two colourways. They've got the navy here and then the off-white. I think the navy pop a bit more for me. But only £65 each, that's full retail. You know, I mean, they are a basic shoe. It's like a pump or a fitness shoe. The spirit of the games. Okay, initially, back in the day, these come out in 1984 for the Los Angeles Olympics. Now that was an Olympic Games that a lot of Adidas were well on board with that Olympics, as were a lot of the other Nike as well. You know, I mean, you know, yeah, a lot of sort of gimmicky shoes come out of that. You know, Micro Pacer I think came out 84, 85. A load of the others, Rising Star. You had LA Trainer. Everything was massive around that. But these are a basic sort of celebration shoe for the LA Olympics in '84, and they've been reissued this year. Again, I don't think they'll ever do these again. I don't see why they would. Let's have a look underneath. Very simple tread pattern. Oh, there you go. Get it right way round, eh? Well, they're both way round. That's that confused me a bit there, yeah. Yeah, very simple. It's a nice little shoe. Let's do a toe to tongue. 65 quid. Can't go wrong, can you? Yeah, I like these. A nice bit of detail on the midsole there towards the rear of the shoe, just underneath the heel. Yeah, classic little. It's a runner, really, isn't it? Like a fitness shoe or stroke runner. Yeah, pretty nice. You know, nice one for the collection. Nice little summer shoe, you might say. Yeah, so as I mentioned before, guys, the channel's a bit quiet at the moment. You know, real life does get in the way, so things will change over the coming months, but I will try and get back to a routine at some point or other. But these are a nice little shoe, just thought I'd show you, picked them up. And they've had the soft launch over maybe 2 months, so they'll drop on this website, that website. You know, so it's really strange. Again, that must be due to the COVID and the fact that we're not having an Olympic Games this summer. So that's obviously changed things a bit, you know. Yeah, nice detail on this badge. So you haven't got the normal 3 stripes. You've got this badge. But on the instep you do. You have these sort of this narrow 3-stripe feature here. There's a bit of detail to them. So if you want something different, and again, I can't see them ever reissuing these again. I'm surprised we got this reissue, to be honest with you. I know Bobby Mack, who's one of the biggest vintage collectors around. He's got a pair of these, and he actually prefers, I think, this edition to the original, to the OG. So, you know, the shape is slightly different. He thinks the shape's nicer. So yeah, if you want something a bit different, go for the spirit of the games. Again, I'm coming up to 10,000 subscribers, which is amazing. So I do want to get the 10,000 C's on the video. Be a nice coincidence. Never thought ever I'd get to 10,000. I'm not there yet. Less than 200 to go. So if you're not subbing, you know, drop a subscription, help me out, guys. Be cool. Listen, I'm gonna go now. I'll get these on foot. I just like to say cheers for your patience and subscribing to my channel, and we'll catch you next time. Take care, everyone. Cheers.